It's Friday, 25th of July, 2025, and we're on our way to Truck Festival.
Well, we were.
And
Fred shut the front door with
yeah,
the keys in.
it's your fucking fault.
And of course, it's always my fault. So now
I have to break in.
to break into our own house to get the keys so we can get in the car and go. Oh my god. He has done this once before. This is when Theo shuts his bedroom window. Right, I'll meet you down here.
I have to go in head first here.
I can't even see you up there. Let me come around the side. Oh no, I can't see you. Right, I'll meet you at the front. Bloody nightmare. We're already running a bit late because we didn't pack the car and that up last night. But it's all brimming, packed, ready to go. Kids in tow. Yeah, good job it's only 15 minutes up the road. Here he is. Right, perfect. Let's go.
I'll shut that. Truck Festival 2025. Got the full team today, or this weekend. Pretty fair, well, not too bad. Fairly stressful morning, but
it's our own fault because we just have been last minute with it all, haven't we? And we didn't pack the car up last night or nothing. So we haven't even tried the tent.
We only got a tent yesterday.
We haven't tried the airbeds, so it could be a complete disaster.
But we got a load of cider, so it should be alright. Whatever the outcome with the tents. Lovely day for it, and we're only 20 minutes away.
Not even that.
Well, when we started, it was about 20 minutes.
Yeah, 15, 20, yeah, so
Yeah. And we're here. Hey.
I'm so glad we own that.
Can you see with that hat?
For miles to get in.
That's sort of called festival, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. Look at that caravan and
Yeah, a bit of me, that.
and the food and that.
Yeah, just leave it for me. Look, it's not queue or nothing. Yeah, let me sort your hat out.
But to go on holiday.
We're not going on holiday, we're going to the festival.
Festival.
Go and help Theo with the trolley. Can you push it? It is a big trolley. Just going to do this one load and then go back and get the rest.
Get the wristband.
Go on then, you push it. Theo, stop a minute, let him just push.
Push, push, push.
Go on then, you push.
That's it. Push. Or are you pulling?
I think he's pulling. I hate that.
Found a little spot right on the edge, close to the toilets, close to a little coffee breakfast place. Hang on, I'll help you in a sec. Bobby's just spectating. And then we're close to the entrance. So let's see how long it takes Fred to lose the head. I'm saying about 7 minutes.
As long as that, I'll give myself.
Yeah, I was going to say 4 to be fair, but I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Right, let's get these set up. Right, well, Theo's got his tent up. And we haven't, because half of it isn't even here. Well, Deborah, I just phoned her up and said, well, the tent's missing. She went, well, I thought it might be. It's obviously in that box. That's why I told you to try and put it up. Fucking real helpful. So now I have to drive back to Lambourne, pick up the other one. It's about 100 degrees. Fred's soaking wet with sweat. But Theo's sorted. So, right, come on then, Bobby, let's go and get in the car. We've got to go to Lambourne.
Only one thing to do. Go on, Bear Grylls.
It's starting to take shape. Very stressful. Very stressful. We've got to move Theo's back. And just having a little snack. How'd you feel, babe?
Fucking tense. Staying in a hotel next year.
Well, we could have just drove home. Right, let's get this finished.
Car park, entrance, campsite. Left home and then drove here through security, got our spot all within about 25 minutes. And that is what you call perfect. Hey Bobby, look at Mum.
Hello. Look at his leg crossed.
This holds a special place in my heart.
Oh, there we go.
It was the cider I was drinking last week at Heaton Park. Watching the best band in the world. Oasis.
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 Theo's just been and washed his bowl up from having some cereal. Oh yeah. They're interesting. I'll show you that in a bit.
There's a little turd down there.
Ooh. Fred said it's like, what is it like in it? Like dust.
Oh, it's sawdust down there.
Like
you got a
cat lip box.
If you go for a wee, you're sound. But
No.
if you have a number two, then you got to fucking scoop all this. Look, see like the bowl over there.
Oh yeah.
Cup in there, you got to scoop that up and then chuck it on top of your fucking.
Yeah, and it says like one scoop of water for a wee and one scoop of something.
No, you don't need any for a wee.
Well, it says something on there like one scoop for a poo,
then one for
something for a wee.
Oh wait, I don't put it in the bin.
I didn't do anything.
I'll stand up.
Probably weird.
And I'll sit down.
I stand up.
With his brother, James.
And I'll sit down.
I sit down.
I'll stand up. And I'll sit down.
I sit down.
I'll stand up.
I stand up. You sit down.
And I'll sit down. You sit down. Get him, Bobby. Get him. Yeah, I've seen them.
Yeah. Can you stop walking behind me then?
That's a nice flag. Just on the way to the arena for the first time, have a little look around.
Yes.
I don't want you. Let's go.
Daddy, Daddy. No. Daddy.
Bobby.
Come on, Bobby.
Should we get a better one? Yeah, but I'm going to buy like a decent size one.
You're in the festival.
Theo, keep that on.
Why?
Because I said.
I want to take it off.
Hang on, Mum. Hey.
What are you guys going to do? Ollie, what's up, bro?
Oh, I have to drink this quickly.
Yeah, I'm mine.
Man, how you doing?
Can I get that?
Nah, stop the festival. The big blue tent.
I just have to hand it to someone over 16, that's alright.
Thank you very much.
Alright, have a good day, guys.
I said I was 16, I said I was 14.
Well, don't lie.
No, we're going to point you and talk to
Ah.
thatchers lemon.
How much? 7.50.
7.50.
7.50 a pint.
£1.50 for the cups, but I don't know if it's £1.50 per cup or whatever.
Yeah, I think if you take them back, you get it back, I think.
Really good. So sorry we didn't see them last time.
Go on, Luke.
Said she was a good old girl. Portion of just nuggets was £5, and then chips were extra. And I just said to her, do you just do like a handful of chips rather than a full portion, because he won't eat much. She was like, oh, I just chuck them in the bag for you, don't worry.
Yeah, fair play. Smashed burgers, what a place. Get down there.
Alright.
Nice boy. Is he nice? It's all fucking cans.
How much? Well, how do you not look? You've been gone for ages.
Yeah, no, but I like circled round, just like, because the bar's over there. I thought there was a bar when we first came in, or maybe that's that one. It's not a very big place, to be fair.
No, we haven't come up this end. We were down there.
You know, but that
That bar
there,
next door to the Thatcher's place had pints.
Yeah.
Yeah, next door. You know where I went to have a look? That was pints and cocktails and whatever. So you might have to just nip that
Eat it
down.
quickly because it's melting. But yeah.
You got your ice cream, Bobby?
That main bar over there is just cans, which is shit, so we will definitely keep hold of these.
Yeah, well, we'll keep hold of them anyway.
Back at the campsite, another can. Don's got a kettle and a stove and that.
Gonna make some pot noodles.
Yeah, make some pot noodles and that. And then we got these nuts, and they're probably the best nuts in the world. M&S, not a sponsor, but wish it was.
Would like a sponsor.
Yeah, so if you're watching, get in touch.
You're not doing very well.
You're shocking at this.
Wake up! So just on my own, Don and Bobby are at the tent, just chilling out. Theo's with his mates, and I'm on the way to the arena. There's a band called the Bracknell. Don't really know too much about them. I've heard a couple of their songs and they sound decent. So just gonna go and check them out, and then join up with them all later. Right, couple of beers. This feeling stage. Go and see the Bracknell. Hope they're good. Come on.
There's no way back for me. And I know what I needed. I can't believe